On my day, my people. I say now not again. I say yesterday I received some news where it broken me. Like I never even still recover. Like that news, it still did like dream for me. I lost a very important person for my life. Very, very important person. None of you understand. Yes, my father-in-law. We lost her yesterday morning. But anyway, life still get to continue. We don't cry. We don't cry. All day yesterday, we don't cry. For those of una who they even follow us for social media, for Facebook, some of una don't really see the picture whereby my husband put am there. But uh, for una don't comment, for una know am, thank una. But today I began to do this video like 3 days ago. Like know the but I'll first start with this one. I'll first start with this one. Please, wanna share this video, wanna share am. I don't want to tell una wetin happen yesterday. Wanna share this video. I beg. I really just dey beg una because something something will happen for here, like for this US, for this America. Something will happen for this Dallas. Very unbelievable thing, like But man just show una the video. As I show una the video, then I go explain better. The man show una the video, make I find out. Yes. So now the thing be that, my people, just the thing be that. This 2020, we don't know wetin dey go on. So much they really go on for this 2020, but we still anyhow we still give thanks to God. But say a lot of things really go on. Yeah, one show na now. Yes. People now see wetin our Africans, the way that they come from Africa, in the name of marriage, wetin dem dey call zoo. 911, what's your emergency? Hello, somebody there? What's the nature of your emergency? Are you hurt? Or in danger as we speak? Okay, listen, you don't have to say it. I shook her. I'm sorry. You said who's been shot? Hello, sir? Are you still there? I said I shot this demon in the face. Yes, me. Super K. Obama. She's like that, yeah. She's always running. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I know you're very upset, but can you please tell me that nobody else hurt? Hello, sir? Are you there? Hello, sir. Is somebody else hurt? Or you hurt yourself? Help. No, no. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you for that. Now can you please give me the address of that location? Can you please confirm the address? Sir? Okay, sir. Emergency personnel are on their way as we speak. I need you to put down the gun so we can talk.
You think you can read my room? My destiny. Spoil my name. But if you kill me spiritually, I will kill you physically. I understand you're very upset right now, sir. But I need you to please. Hey, what are you talking about? Eh? Are you any better? Me upset? No. Did I say you broke my bone? Eh? I said this man can finish my life. And she took everything from me. All my hard work for what? For what? Because she's enough, eh? Because she's enough. I understand your frustration, sir. I understand. But if you don't want to get down, can you please look for another I made her who she is. Ask anybody. Ask anybody. I made you who you are. Eh? She was in the village begging me to marry. Eh? All her family members. Oh, begging me. It was me. You was nobody. You were nobody. You become a nurse and then you start crying. You're carrying shoulder. You're carrying shoulder acting like madam. Eh? So that you will not give me your check anymore. Eh? Eh? I'm not about breaking anymore. I'm not about breaking anymore. Eh? Fair. 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 Eh? Tell me how to leave. Tell me how to leave the house. Are you? Tell me how to leave the house now. Eh? No, tell me to block my nose from the house that I bought. Eh? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you please speak to me? You know how to fight for the first time. Wake up and call it now. Wake up and call it now. Hello, sir. Pick up the phone. Hello.
My people, now don't watch this thing. Una really think say marriage na something wey people get to keep themselves for. Like seriously. Yes, you don't bring the girl for village. If they tell you make you marry am, you no come dey misbehave. The easiest thing na to pack your load and go. Na to just pack your load and go. Leave. This one happen for na for Dallas. Dallas, wey we dey live for here. Dallas. Dallas or Texas here. Na this one happen, my people. Then another one come happen again for Sisianta, Ohio. That one, dem be Cameroonians. They come from the western region of Cameroon. The man, you don't educate the wife, you don't train the wife, you don't do everything for the wife. Then the wife later file in for divorce, say you don't want again. You know, the judge now, they can't judge in favor of the woman. Give her everything, you know, give her the children, give her even everything. But we don't know. When they say everything, we don't really know everything, you know. But we know say if you get to start, they pay child support. Now that one happen. Finish the woman, you don't even waste time. Kill the woman, kill himself. Kill the woman, kill himself. Then we get 3 good children. The oldest one at 18 years. My people, now they wash am now. Some of una wanna don't marry. Una think saying marriage is what it really what am make person lose his life for. No be na to waka comot. If you see say things they know they move. If you see say this thing maybe the other person will get anger issues. The other person will get waka comot. Better you dey alive. Better they say na who dem laugh better pass who dem cry. That person choose say no, you know, for am to just waka comot, kill the woman, kill herself. Now who go take care of the children now? He turn the children to orphans. He turn them to orphans. Now they no get parents just because he don't train the wife, he don't do everything for the wife, he don't educate the wife. You know, just a lot wey dey go on for this country. Na only this America we dey hear say man dey kill a woman. Only this America we dey always hear am. I live for Europe for several years, for so many years. We dey hardly hear am say person, you hear say this man kill a woman. We dey hardly hear am. We dey hardly hear am because the first video wey I just show na that first video, those one dey be Nigerians. Na because the woman na nurse. You don't bring the woman for village. The woman a nurse. You be nurse, no mean say you no get to respect your husband. Although we no dey support that horrible acts wey it demonstrate, because you are not God. You no be anything wey you go take human being in life, and then you are so happy say you don't do am. Say the woman kill you spiritually, you don't kill the woman physically. You know, it's just so easy to walk away. Because everything in this world na vanity. And if God wan bless you back now for everything, you go replenish, you go get am back now. Even if na the house dem take from you, even if na the, because e get when you even pay that child support reach, you no go pay am again. And some women, even yourself, you are financially stable, but you still wan drain that money from that man. Abeg, my sisters, my people, the rate wey women dey lose their life, Nigerians, Africans, Cameroonians, the way they dey lose their life because of this palava, registered nurse or nurse, FVN. Even the nurses, they are not even the richest. They are not the richest. Na even the RN get money. FVN, they don't get nothing. How much they pay them? If they never do overtime for pay, extra hours, they cannot even meet up. Because how much did they really pay them? Wey people go come dey lost their life. Married women no fit behave themselves again because they get a better position, better career than their husband. Abeg my people, una no come dey, people no come dey lost their life like that because of you don get better career. The man wey you be love, you no fit love am again. And some women, una dey Africa now, dey watch this video. My video, my una share this video, amepe, una share am. My channel na about daily life. We talk about daily life. And you know, people don't like to watch. I tell you, here is a place for you to learn, to educate yourself. Because if a man come to Africa to marry you, if you don't like that man, you don't love that man enough, please, my dear sister, my dear friend, don't involve yourself. Because I tell you, now to how many years, you are definitely gonna regret it. As long as you don't like that man, as long as you don't love that man, you are definitely gonna regret it. Because there's something they call class. Maybe you just married that man because you were not financially stable, you were not okay, and you just wanted to travel. Like, okay, yeah, let me just, I don't care about this man, but let me just travel. By the time you reach where you are going, you are gonna see your class, the one that you will love. I say, oh, this is the type of man I want, not this one. Before you know, you start messing around, and that man is not gonna be happy. Please, I'm just begging. I'm begging all of you people in Africa, in one way of the reason, one way of the other, you travel, you come out for Nigeria, you come out for Africa or for Cameroon, anywhere, any part of Africa, that you want to go to the Western world because these people are successful, these people are financially stable. Don't marry any man because of money. Don't do that. Let me tell you, you're gonna have that money, but you're never gonna be happy. Happiness dominates that money. And the earlier you know that, the better. The earlier you know that, the better. You can still make it there in Africa. You can still know, if you can make it there in Africa. But people think that they can only make it. What is this? People think that it's only when they come to America they can make it. And there are a lot of successful people in that Africa. A lot of successful people in that Africa. And the earlier we know that, the better for us. No one deserves to be killed like that. Let me show you guys. This Cameroonian woman, if you see those children now, they are going to be suffering. They're going to suffer because no father, no mother. I beg my people, I beg, make una share this video, make una learn. You be nurse, not me say you get to turn something else. Still respect your husband. And you as a man, if your wife don't turn different thing because you bring her for Africa, you don't become no, you don't want to see your identity. Waka leave am, make it be, make it there. Waka leave am. Don't stay your hand, don't kill anybody. You don't give life, you don't take life. You don't do that. If you're in that situation right now, and that your wife is driving you crazy, or your husband is driving you crazy, and that you are not happy in that relationship, I tell you, my sister, I tell you, my brother, the earlier you move, the earlier you pack your things and leave, the better for you. Because there are still so many men out there that would cherish you and pamper you. That will love you just the way you are, not even the money, not what you have. They will just love you like that. Just walk away. I know it can be painful that you live with somebody for so many years, all of a sudden. It's better to be alive. It's just better to be alive than nothing. It's better to be alive than to lose your life because of one man or because of one woman. You know, please, please. We are in, people are into a situation like that. Look for someone you love. Look for people. That's why we have psychologists. Look for them, talk to them, tell them your problem, tell them what you are going through, and they will be able to help you out. They will tell you what to do. Maybe you should take some time out. Maybe you should leave the house for some time. You know, they will guide you. You know, they will tell you what to do. Please do not kill yourself because of one man. Do not kill yourself because of one woman. Because you have relatives that cares for you, that loves you. You know, you have people that share it, that wants you. You know, you have some people. You still have mom and dad that wants you. You know, please don't kill yourself because of any man. Don't commit crime. You don't want to serve. You don't want to be in jail forever because of one woman. Please don't do that. Don't do that. You can leave your country of origin and come to another man's land and be doing all this. This is not good. This is not fair. This is horrible. This is a very horrible act. No one deserves to die like that. This is a woman that you once loved. This is a woman you once cared for. This is a woman you once cherished. This is a woman you once pampered. Now you are telling the woman that look at you now, look at you. No, please people, for those of you that are still in that situation right now, because we don't know what people are going through, we don't know what you are facing, but I tell you, the best thing to do is to walk away. There's this sister, her name is Blessing. She's a YouTuber. You know, I follow her video whereby she was talking that there was a time, because she was talking about her ex, that her ex was driving her crazy, that even she was already thinking about to kill her ex. Then she said to herself one day, why don't I just walk away? And she walked away. You see, you can do that. You can use your common sense. Your common sense is just around. Just use it and you'll be free. Please, let's be kind, you know. And for those of you that keep going to Africa to marry, please people, I'm not saying that men should not come to Africa to marry you. But all I'm saying is that you men that are going to Africa to go and get a wife, please make sure you love this woman. And make sure you find out that this woman really loves you in return. Because you don't want to find yourself in this type of situation. A lot of people are doing that. And they just keep doing it. The mistake they make every day. And they are not learning from that mistake. Please people, let's do the right thing. Please people, let's love ourselves. Because if you love yourself, you're never going to take any man's life. You will know the value of life. You know, please share this video, love this video, like this video, because whatever you think about this video, it's just okay. Just put it down at the comment section below and I will get back to you. Please, this is my channel. I want you to subscribe. I want you to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload, whenever I'm live, you know, you'll be the first person to get all my videos, you know, because my videos, my channel is about daily life issues. We talk about things that are really going on, you know, we talk about it. So please subscribe today, subscribe now.